Kajingalang kabla Lyngdoh Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare yaki Head Officer na Ketenat Police, Social Welfare, Mim Hands, Health and Family Welfare ki SP ki OC bat ki CID kala long ka basai sot namar kala yok ruban pediang ka khubor halor ka jingman jorjo nong bishar ubala shong that na ka High Court ban long kumu chairman ya ka Advisory Board kaban si shong ban ya ther ban yok pen treikam no ya ka Preventing Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act khat khandai spa prapupra lani ka PITNDPS Act khat khandai spa prapupra haba crunch kilat pathai kubor uba pol Lyngdoh ubalong Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ulaang bakajing ai jingman jorjo nong bishar ubala shong that na ka High Court ubalong menta kumu chairman of State Consumer Council Ushivaji Pandey dakajing tho ban long kumu chairman ya ka Advisory Board menta kan pen urlong ban yo ban pentrai kam no ya ka PITNDPS Act khat khandai spa prapupra ha ka bakat kum kanika Act kinong khayi drugs da ka ba ken salon sar kidam sok ban yo ba jamin kumba julong namar ba ka jingpen stam kan long bait live nai ne kala ban kiu shakashisnam.
There is a very important act that has not been invoked so far till date, which is called the Prevention of Illicit Traffic. Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1988. That is PITNDPS. So far, we have not been able to invoke the provisions of this Act because we are yet to be able to create an advisory board. But today, a retired High Court judge has consented. Mr. Shivaji Pandey, who is also the chairman of the State Consumer Council, has consented in writing to be the chairman of the advisory board. So once the chairman of the advisory board agrees to take over the assignment of chairman of the board, that gives us that clears the pathway for us to implement this very important act. Under this act, persons with known antecedents of being drug traffickers or being indulged in narcotic trade, big, medium or small, can be booked under this act and they will undergo preventive detention for an initial period of 3 months, which can be extended up to a year. There have always been complaints that the traffickers manage to obtain bail very easily. But once this is invoked, and once the chairman who has agreed, meaning that the next step for us is to notify this advisory board, then we are fully in a position to implement this act. And these known traffickers will now be booked under this act to facilitate their being detained under this act and not be able to secure bail for 3 months. However, if they feel that they have been unjustly detained, they can always appeal to the board in writing as to why they should not be detained and why they should be released. Also, we discussed at length on the need to strengthen the narcotic cell, which today comprises of just 3 police officials, and we've decided that this will be increased and once the number of personnel is increased to at least cover all districts of the state, then we will be in a better position to contain and control this menace. So various other decisions were taken, but in brief, I can assure you that we will go all out and eradicate this problem at the earliest, because it is taking a toll on society. It is taking a very heavy toll on the safety and security of citizens, and we will leave no stone unturned to ensure that we go on a war footing to tackle the menace of drug trafficking.